One oil that breaks down cysts, improves digestion, and relieves joint pain. Sounds too good to be true? Think again. Castor oil has been a secret healing weapon for centuries. Stick with us to discover how it can transform your health, naturally. Subscribe and hit the bell for more ageless health tips. Like and share if you're ready to feel your best at any age.
Castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil, and wherever it penetrates it can break up lumps, bumps, adhesions. So great for cysts in the breast, for breast cancer, great for irritable bowel, great for constipation. It's very good at breaking up stones in the gallbladder.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a prominent advocate for holistic and natural medicine, has long emphasized the power of using food and natural remedies for healing. One of her favorite tools for tackling health issues is castor oil, a common household oil that possesses an astounding range of therapeutic properties. From breaking down cysts to aiding in digestive issues, castor oil has been used traditionally for centuries.
Castor oil is very thick and it takes a little while to soak in. So all I do is do about a middle third of the whole area.
In this script, let's dive deeper into castor oil's remarkable benefits, its uses, and why it's one of Dr. O'Neill's go-to remedies for holistic healing.
Doing our program, it's 2 years now, and both two tumours have totally gone. Her oncologist can't believe it. So she had a total lifestyle change.
What makes castor oil so special? Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the castor plant, Ricinus communis, is rich in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that possesses strong anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Unlike other oils, castor oil's molecular structure allows it to penetrate deeply into tissues, which is why it's so effective when applied topically. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it ideal for treating a variety of ailments, both inside and outside the body. Castor oil's versatile healing properties. Number 1. Breaking down lumps and bumps. One of castor oil's most notable uses is its ability to break up lumps and adhesions. Dr. Barbara recommends castor oil packs for cysts in the breasts, helping reduce benign lumps, and even offering some benefits in cases of breast cancer. Castor oil's penetration ability allows it to reach deep tissue layers, breaking down unwanted formations and promoting lymphatic drainage. Number 2. Supporting digestive health. Castor oil is also a powerful aid for digestive health. When applied as a compress on the abdomen, it can help alleviate irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, constipation, and even diarrhea. By penetrating the abdominal area, castor oil helps soften the colon, which can relieve both constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Moreover, it soothes and supports the intestinal tract, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. Number 3. Dissolving gallstones and kidney stones. Another surprising benefit of castor oil is its ability to dissolve stones. Dr. Barbara has observed that regular use of castor oil packs can help break down gallstones and kidney stones, reducing discomfort and potentially avoiding invasive procedures. This oil's unique composition seems to soften calcified deposits, allowing the body to eliminate them more easily. Number 4. Relieving joint pain and bone spurs. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective remedy for joint pain and bone spurs. Applying a castor oil pack over affected joints can bring relief to those suffering from arthritis, gout, or bone spurs, while its deep penetration properties help reduce inflammation and pain in the joints. How to use castor oil packs for maximum benefit. To use castor oil effectively, Dr. Barbara suggests making a castor oil pack, which involves using a compress to apply the oil to affected areas. Here's how you can make your own castor oil pack. Number 1. Pour a small amount of castor oil onto a cloth or towel. Number 2. Place a plastic sheet on the outer layer of the towel to prevent leaks and avoid staining clothing. Number 3. Position the compress on the desired area and hold it in place with a bandage or wrap. This simple yet effective method allows the castor oil to penetrate deeply into the skin, carrying its healing properties into the tissues. The healing properties of castor oil. Castor oil's primary active component, ricinoleic acid, is what sets it apart as a potent healer. This compound has been shown to reduce inflammation, kill harmful bacteria, and promote circulation, which aids in tissue repair. When applied to the skin, castor oil penetrates deep into the tissues, making it effective for breaking down lumps, cysts, and even reducing scar tissue. Additionally, castor oil has shown potential in detoxifying the body by enhancing lymphatic circulation. Castor oil for cysts and tumors. One of the remarkable uses Dr. Barbara O'Neill advocates for castor oil is in breaking down cysts, tumors, and other abnormal growths. Whether applied on the breasts, abdomen, or other areas with cysts, castor oil's deep penetrating nature enables it to reach the affected tissue layers and gradually dissolve these lumps. This makes it particularly beneficial for women with fibrocystic breasts or ovarian cysts. How to use castor oil for cysts. To treat cysts, Dr. O'Neill suggests creating a castor oil compress. Start by pouring a generous amount of castor oil onto a cloth or towel. To prevent leakage, place a layer of plastic over the cloth before securing it to the affected area with a bandage. Leave the compress on for at least an hour, allowing the oil to penetrate deeply. For best results, repeat this treatment daily until there's noticeable improvement. Castor oil for digestive health. Castor oil is highly effective in treating a range of digestive disorders, including constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and even gallstones. When applied to the abdomen, it stimulates the digestive tract, promoting healthy bowel movements and relieving constipation. Additionally, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it soothing for those with irritable bowel syndrome, reducing pain and inflammation in the intestines. Application for constipation and IBS. For digestive issues, apply a castor oil pack on the lower abdomen. The heat and pressure of the compress, combined with castor oil's therapeutic properties, help relax the intestines, promoting smoother digestion and relieving discomfort. Dr. O'Neill suggests leaving the pack on for 1 to 2 hours for optimal results. Castor oil for uterine and ovarian health. In cases of uterine fibroids or ovarian cysts, Dr. O'Neill recommends castor oil as a natural way to alleviate pain and dissolve abnormal growths. The oil penetrates deep into the tissues, breaking down fibroids in the uterus or cysts on the ovaries. This makes it a gentle but effective treatment for women's reproductive health. How to use castor oil for reproductive health. To use castor oil for issues like fibroids, create a castor oil compress and apply it to the lower abdomen. Cover it with a cloth or bandage to keep it in place and leave it on for at least an hour. For deeper relief, you can apply gentle heat over the compress, as warmth enhances the oil's absorption and boosts circulation to the area. Castor oil for gallbladder and kidney stones. Castor oil also works wonders for breaking down gallbladder and kidney stones. By applying a castor oil pack to the affected area, the oil's unique properties penetrate and help dissolve small stones, easing the body's natural process of eliminating them. Treating bone spurs with castor oil. Bone spurs, small, sharp bone projections that can cause pain and restrict movement, can also benefit from castor oil. When applied to the affected area, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the pain and swelling associated with bone spurs. Over time, it can soften these spurs, making them less bothersome. Castor oil for skin and hair health. Beyond its internal benefits, castor oil is a powerful beauty and skincare remedy. It's known for its ability to moisturize dry skin, promote wound healing, and even stimulate hair growth. Applying castor oil to the scalp nourishes hair follicles, promoting healthier, thicker hair. Additionally, it can help treat scalp infections and reduce dandruff. Using castor oil packs, a step-by-step guide. Dr. Barbara O'Neill's recommended method for using castor oil involves creating a castor oil pack or compress, Here's how you can do it at home. Number 1. Prepare the materials. Gather a clean cotton cloth or towel, a bottle of castor oil, plastic wrap, and a heating pad. Optional. Number 2. Soak the cloth. Pour castor oil onto the cloth until it's well soaked but not dripping. Number 3. Apply to the skin. Place the cloth on the affected area. If using it on the abdomen, ensure it covers the entire area. Number 4. Cover with plastic. Place a layer of plastic wrap over the cloth to keep the oil from leaking. Number 5. Add heat. Optional. For deeper penetration, place a heating pad on top of the compress. Heat helps the oil absorb into the skin more effectively. Number 6. Leave it on. Allow the pack to sit for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Longer periods may be beneficial, especially for chronic conditions. Number 7. Repeat regularly. Consistency is key. Apply the castor oil pack daily or as recommended by your health practitioner. Precautions and tips for castor oil use. While castor oil is generally safe, it's important to use it properly. Here are a few precautions to keep in mind. Avoid ingesting castor oil in large amounts. Although castor oil can act as a laxative, ingesting too much can cause severe digestive distress. Stick to external use for safety. Use caution during pregnancy. Castor oil should not be used during pregnancy, as it may stimulate uterine contractions. Do a patch test. Before applying castor oil to a large area of the skin, test it on a small patch to check for any allergic reactions. Avoid sensitive areas. While castor oil is gentle, avoid using it on areas with thin skin, like around the eyes, without professional guidance. Additional natural remedies, highlighted by Dr. O'Neill. Beyond castor oil, Dr. Barbara O'Neill has explored the healing potential of other natural remedies, including potatoes, ginger, and onions. These common foods also have impressive medicinal uses. Castor oil's place in natural medicine. The versatility of castor oil makes it an invaluable tool in holistic health, a perfect example of how nature provides solutions for many ailments. Whether used for cysts, digestive issues, joint pain, or skin care, castor oil demonstrates the power of natural remedies in maintaining wellness. Dr. Barbara O'Neill's teachings remind us of the value in returning to simple, natural treatments that respect the body's healing abilities. With continued research and a respect for natural healing, castor oil and other home remedies can serve as effective tools for health and wellness. By incorporating castor oil into your self-care routine, you tap into an ancient tradition of natural healing that remains relevant and beneficial today. We hope you found these insights valuable and inspiring. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more wellness tips and natural remedies. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.